There's a building 1 at the Dorchester or Evalee Apartments in Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. These are originally, it looks like they were general, judging by the indicators. I think they're like armor indicators. Something. All I know is they're the same indicators at the Cavendish Apartments on the shady side. But they're modernized, yeah, general. But they're modernized by thyssenkrupp. Traditionally, inside the penthouse, you got Aurora on the outside. Surface mount, here you got Marshall. Slow. Here at the penthouse. I wonder if it's on the original motor, maybe. General, go back down to 1. It's lovely. 8-year phone. Basic fake or green original caps, I believe. Yeah, that sounds like it may be the original motor. Yeah. Exterior indicators are original. Marshall did the mod. Certificate installed 1969. And that's going to be it.